Alaikum salam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. He didn't make it. He wasn't able to come because he passed away just before Ramadan came in. So pray for him, man. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. There are many who were here with us last Ramadan and are now lying in their graves 6 feet under the earth. Only Allah knows if this Ramadan will be our final Ramadan on this earth. IOU's incredible 1 million scholarship project, which thousands have already taken advantage of, needs your help now to continue to change our brothers and sisters' lives in Africa and elsewhere. My dear brothers and sisters, a simple donation today can earn us massive rewards right now, tomorrow, or the day after, all week, until we meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is incredible. Please don't hesitate. Our dear Prophet taught us that sadaqah, charity, does not decrease wealth. Instead, it increases it. So give charitably for the sake of Allah today, as only Allah, the All-Knowing, knows if we will see next year's Ramadan or not. Jazakumullahu khairan. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.